I'm Bumblebee. That's Optimus Prime. And we're gonna train horn the fuck out of some people.
Get him now. No, just get him.
Oh
my
god. Get him on the side.
Hi, my name's Adriana. What can I get started for you?
You guys forgot my straw. Can I get a straw, please?
Yes, I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Come through with me.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, good looking too.
There you go.
Thank you. Straw?
Hi, 872.
Oh, wait. We're the ones with just the straw.
Oh.
Yeah. Thank you.
Did you just hear that? That was
No, that was him.
Hello.
Hello. We got the straw, please.
Straw?
Yes.
Just one?
Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you. I'm recording. Oh, we're the one.
Here's a straw and your cinnamon twist for your no straw.
Who was that?
Oh, good. Whenever you are.
Got him.
Yeah. I'm recording. Now. Whenever you're ready. Go.
You are? Window.
Huh?
Ready?
I'm good. Like right now.
Yeah! Congratulations!
Go.
Window.
Go.
Ready?
Yeah, I got him.
Side you.
Do it. Which ones? These right here walking.
Inside my truck, and people are inside McDonald's.
Got him.